fifth part of this Women Health series focuses on women in the late 40s and early 50s, when the body goes through another change in the hormone system that causes menopause. The classical Ayurvedic texts do not refer menopause as a disorder or a disease. In fact, menopause is a disease of the urbanized woman because many women are experiencing hot flush, heavy sweating, mood swings during menopause. There has been an increased report of chronic urinary tract infection in most postmenopausal women, which is very daunting to the woman's health as well as for loved ones around her. During this transitional phase of menopause, there is increased Vata and Pitta dosha, which needs to be pacified by changes in the food, behavioral changes, and habits that promote relaxation through yoga and pranayamas. Panchakarma therapies such as Takra, dhara, Virechana with castor oil, and Vasthi based on one's need is highly recommended to bring back balance in women's menopausal health. Ayurveda recommends physical activities such as cardio, aerobics, yoga asanas, brisk walking on a regular basis. Avoid pickles, fermented food items, curd, and meat. Ayurveda recommends herbs such as satavari, which has phytohormones, with milk at bedtime to support estrogen and progesterone balance. Guruchi is very beneficial for reducing inflammation, which may cause chronic UTI, loose stool, acid reflux, disturbed sleep, etc. Ayurveda recommends Chandana Sava, which is a formulation made from chandana, which is sandalwood, to reduce hot flush and sweating during menopause. Take a moon bath. It is fun, at the same time cooling to the body and mind. Wear a pearl necklace and also wear silk cloths, as it helps regularize the body temperature and cools naturally.